So we obviously have the classic misal pav. Basically, you have to put some batata bhaji, then you have to put poha.
For misal?
Yes.
Wait, I'm doing this wrong all my life.
There are like 6 steps, 7 steps, 8 step misal in Pune. Vilas dada, please kothimir dena. Then we do nimbu. You basically just like top it on it.
Wow. This is too good, guys. A nice Maharashtrian spread with sharvari. What else could I have asked for this episode of Sunday Brunch? Once a Dadar resident, always a Dadar resident. और आज की जो हमारी guest है, she is truly a Dadar girl. From the forgotten army to Bunty or Bubbly too, from Maharaj to Munchia and now Vedha. This Marathi Mulgi has truly become the national crush of India. अब आप इन्हें शर्वरी बुलाओ या सरवरी बुलाओ, मामा मासी का फर्क है. On this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series, I have been invited for a delicious Maharashtrian meal at Sharvari Bag's home. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi, how
Hi,
are you?
please come.
Nice to meet you,
You
finally.
How are you?
Good, and what a beautiful house.
Thank
What a
you.
gorgeous view of the sea face
Thank
there.
you.
Have you always been a Dadar girl?
Yes, I have.
All your
I have.
life?
All my life.
So you're going to tell me all the best hotspots,
Done.
especially when it comes to food
Done,
from
done,
Dadar.
done, done,
Yeah?
done.
Okay,
I have
looking
many for
forward.
you. I have many for you.
Looking forward
Please
to
come.
it. You live like in the heart of Dadar.
Yeah.
You know, whenever I'm craving for some authentic Maharashtrian food, this
Yeah.
is my go-to
You
place.
must come home now.
Yeah, that's
Then.
why I'm here.
Yeah.
आपसे तो ऐसे ही मिलना था, but I've heard that the food you get here at Sharvari's home is absolutely delectable.
Thank you.
So before we get to the menu, I want to know if I want to get the best misal pav in Dadar, where will I get it?
Yeah, honestly, I love mere ghar ka misal pav. So, you know, the thing is that I have not gone out there and eaten misal pav because if I want misal pav, then it's at home.
What about Puran Puri?
Yeah, Puran Poli is also home thing, but Vada Pav I'll give you. Vada
Okay,
Pav.
chal, Vada Pav, tell
Vada
me.
Pav, see, of course, there are lots of famous ones, but there's one in my lane. His name is Shiv Vada. It's yum.
Shiv
It's-
Vada?
Yeah, it's delicious. It's literally in my lane. It's
Yeah.
next to Shiv Sena Bhavan, so just next to that, and it's yum.
Is it safe to say once a Dadar girl, always a Dadar
Yeah,
girl?
yeah, yeah. Safe to say.
Because I see all the Bollywood celebrities actually, you know, moving their base to Bandra,
Yeah.
Juhu. Is that something that you aspire to do?
I love Dadar. I really love my neighborhood. I've grown up here, so like for me, I think I always want to stay here.
ठीक है, तो मुझे बताओ आपका स्कूल कॉलेज इसके लिए तो आपने ट्रैवल किया होगा एटलीस्ट फॉर योर कॉलेज.
No, my college is also
Oh
actually
my God.
in Dadar. I went to Ruparel College. My college life is also in and around Shivaji Park.
Yeah.
My school was Dadar Parsi Youth Assembly High School, so it was in Dadar Parsi Colony. So yeah, I've grown up around Parsi Colony, and that's where my school has been.
Okay, so we know that we get the best Maharashtrian food at your house,
Yeah.
but Dadar South Indian food के लिए भी जाना जाता है.
Yeah.
ना? Dadar and Matunga.
Matunga, I think. Matunga
Matunga
mainly.
more so,
Yes,
है ना? There's these
yes.
really nice places like Ramashray.
Ramashray, Mysore Cafe, Madras Cafe, Arya Bhavan. You tell me, I name it. I've eaten in all of them.
वहाँ जाते रहते हो आप या नहीं?
बहुत ज़्यादा. So my friends live in Matunga. So
हाँ.
I think कि school के बाद, I think when you know you go to your friend's house
Yeah.
or you're like chilling around in that area. So Matunga has been that area for me.
Yeah.
And I love South Indian food.
And of course, Ruparel, right?
Yeah.
वहाँ पर बहुत ही पास में है वहाँ के
Yeah,
तो.
yeah.
All these places. Did you always want to be an actor, Sharvari?
Yeah, I always wanted to be an actor.
What is your first memory? कब बोला था अपने पेरेंट्स को या किसी को कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है?
I think बोला तो मैंने कॉलेज के टाइम पे था. इसके पहले I always wanted to, but I didn't think that कि ये एक ये एक एक्चुअल ऑप्शन हो सकता है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आप जब फिल्म फैमिली से नहीं आते हो तो आपकी दुनिया बहुत अलग होती है. लाइक माई फादर इज अ बिल्डर, माई मॉम्स एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर, माई सिस्टर वॉज लर्निंग आर्किटेक्चर एट दैट पॉइंट. तो आई थॉट दैट आई जस्ट डू कि मैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग कर लूँगी, बिकॉज it's a world that is very easy for you to be around, be in. So तब मैंने ये सोचा था. फिर कॉलेज में एक्चुअली एक कॉन्टेस्ट था फ्रेश फेस करके, which I participated in. And through that journey of fresh faces, when I really started realizing कि शायद मैं कर सकती हूँ. You know, there is not just कि oh I've watched movies and I want to be a part of movies. That was one thing that I was growing up, you know, I felt growing up.
Yeah.
But I think after Fresh Face I really felt like, you know, it's worth a chance.
And I saw that you speak Marathi very fluently.
Yeah.
So घर पर usually Marathi
I
बात
only
करते हैं.
only speak in Marathi.
But I'm going to put your Marathi skills to test
Okay
today.
then.
We are going to play a fun game which is called drag and drop. I'm going to be using the multi-control feature of Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. I'm going to drag and drop few images which have dialogues and emojis और आपको उसी तरह से उस dialogue को बोलना है, उसी emotion के साथ एक और twist है, मराठी में बोलना है. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so the first one is... Okay, so have you got the first one?
Yes, I have. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. So I have to say this in Marathi and awkward.
And awkward.
Okay. तो पूर्ण, oh my god, I got confused myself.
The translation has happened. Now she's going to deliver it in the most awkward way, right?
Yeah, awkward I already got because of y'all. Okay. असं बोलतात की जर कुठली पण गोष्ट तुम्ही तुमच्या मनापासून तुम्हाला हवी असेल तर ती गोष्ट मिळवण्यासाठी पूर्ण दुनिया तुम्हाला त्याच्यात मदत करते.
बस मामा मासी का ही फर्क है. Okay, next one.
I've got it.
Yeah.
ओ फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती हैं.
हाँ.
एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. और मैं एंटरटेनमेंट. Oh, angry, I have to say this.
Angry.
Okay.
Yes. I like how you are.
Yeah, I'm getting into my angry
Yeah.
this thing. Movies फक्त 3 गोष्टींनी चालतात. एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. आणि मी एंटरटेनमेंट आहे.
Well done. How often do you get angry?
Not so often. I'm not.
There's
I
only
mean,
something that
I'm a
gets
snappy person. I'm not like angry.
हाँ, मतलब irritated. जल्दी
Yeah, I
irritated.
get jaldi irritated, jaldi fizzle down.
And what is the easiest way to like get you
Irritated?
that irritated? Keep you hungry?
Yeah, keep me hungry. I
Oh,
swear.
I'm
that is true.
responsible
That
today. आज इतना वेट करा है इनको कैमरा सेटअप के लिए. So sorry. Okay, we'll get to food very quickly.
Yes.
मुझे भी बहुत भूख लगी है.
Yes.
Okay, now the third one.
And yeah. Oh, laughing. तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही है लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिलता. And I have to laugh and say this. Okay.
Yes.
तारीख पर तारीख मिळतात पण इंसाफ मिळत नाही. बस जे काही मिळतं ते आहे फक्त एक तारीख.
Okay. Next.
Getting. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, confused. कभी कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए हारना भी पड़ता है और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. ओके. कधी कधी जिंकण्यासाठी कधी कधी हरायला लागतं. पण जो हरणारा असतो आय थिंक त्यालाच हरून जिंकणाऱ्यालाच बाजीगर बोलतात.
Okay, last one.
गॉड गॉड.
Yeah.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 12 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है बट डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. स्कैर्ड. ओके.
हाँ.
हिंदी में बोलो ना अभी
हाँ,
इसको.
चलेगा.
Okay, डॉन का इंतजार 12 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है पर डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन है.
इतना हंस के रो के ये तो बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड इमोशन था पूरा. But not bad. And what about school and college? Were you always into drama, dancing and all?
Always. But
Yeah.
except for when I was in Ruparel, that's when I was actually a science student, so I was really like studying.
Okay, so today we are going to study some Maharashtrian food.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Yes,
So
we
I'm pretty
are.
excited and hungry.
Let's go.
get to
Let's
it.
go. Let's go. Now,
How much time do you spend at home now? Now that I'm sure your schedule demands you to be traveling
now
and shooting.
little.
Yeah.
But I think with actors is that like sometimes you just have long, you know, this thing. Sorry, one second. Shubhangi thi. किती शूटिंग कर.
Sai can join us for Sunday
तुला
brunch.
खालती जायचंय तर तू खालती जा आत्ताच. So this is Vilas Dada, by the way.
Oh, hello,
Vilas
Vilas
Dada, ये
Dada.
काम्या है.
Namaskar.
Okay. This is called tarri.
Okay.
So we're basically eating misal pav today.
Oh wow, I love Mr. Pav. So Mr. Pav and the curry is separate.
Separate. This is Kothimir vadi.
Oh, amazing. I've had all of this, but
Oh,
only at
really?
restaurants.
Yeah.
Never at home. And I'm sure that the taste is going to be very
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
And pav, आप खाते हो? Pav.
मैं आज नहीं खा रही.
नहीं खा रहे?
नहीं, आज मैं सिर्फ मिसल खाऊंगी, प्लेन.
अच्छा, पर मैं खाऊं पाव.
You, of course you do. So you must keep it on your side. This is for you.
आज नहीं खा रहे हो पर वैसे खाते हो पाव.
Yes. अगर cheat करना है तो properly one has to cheat.
हाँ, तो चीट करते हो तो क्या खाते हो?
Depends, but like I think that my favorite is just like burger or like pizza.
Oh wow. This
Okay.
is so tempting. And how can you say no to pav?
Yeah, that's true. That is
How many
true.
can you have at one go?
I've never counted like this, yeah.
But कभी तो खाया होगा. Like my sister once ate like one full ladi.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that you're calling it ladi.
I know. That's how you say it here
I
in
love
Mumbai.
that you're calling it ladi.
So this is like a meal of indulgence for
Yeah,
you.
yeah, fully.
बहुत लंबी ट्रिप के बाद घर आते हो.
Yeah.
What do you tell your mother to cook for you?
So I love eating वांग्याचं भरीत.
Oh.
Or like वांग्यावरची तेलाची भाजी is what it's called.
Yes.
And भरली वांग and a bhakri.
So basically bengan is your favorite sabzi?
No, one can't say, but I really love the preparation at home.
Okay.
Like I wouldn't say that it's my favorite sabzi. Aloo is my favorite sabzi.
What is this?
This is Piyush.
Oh, Piyush! I know about this.
Yes.
That you get at Panshekar.
Panshikar.
Panshikar.
Yes,
Panshikar.
Yes.
Isn't it? It's famous for that.
Yes, it
I'm
is.
just gonna have a sip of this
Please,
first.
please do.
Mm. Yum. So tell me, what all do we have here? A nice Maharashtrian spread with sharwari. What else could I have asked for this episode of Sunday Brunch?
So we obviously have the classic misal pav.
Okay.
But there are steps to this, so I'm going to take you through it. Okay. The first one is basically you have to put some batata bhaji.
For misal?
Yes.
I
for
have
misal.
never had misal with batata bhaji.
Yeah. So you have to put little batata bhaji.
Wait, I'm doing this wrong all my life.
No,
Clearly.
you don't get it like this outside.
Okay.
This is like a multiple renditions of different, but there are like 6 steps, 7 steps, 8-step misal in Pune.
But this is like your home thing?
Yeah,
or
my
is it-
home thing. Then you have to put poha. Yeah.
What is
Wait,
this
I really was excited
combination?
Okay, so you have to put poha.
How much of it?
Little, whatever, like, because it'll become like now a big bowl. Then we obviously go in for the main misal. Oh, wow, I've spilled it.
Mhm.
Okay.
1 spoon for me, please.
Okay. Then, obviously, we can go up with farsan on top of it. I'm so clumsy. Everything is falling off my hand. It's like,
Is that how you eat usually? ऐसे कपड़े अपने गंदे होते हैं?
हाँ
या
हाँ
नहीं?
100%.
हो
मैं
जाते
बचपन
हैं
में
ना?
मुझे बिब दिया करते थे.
I think अभी भी आपको चाहिए डिप लाऊं एक? Okay, इसके बाद?
Then we go in with some save.
No wonder you don't need power with this, right?
Yeah, because I'm telling you, it becomes a mountain of things.
Is this just a Wagh household way of eating misal?
No. It's quite common actually.
Oh, is it?
It's
Okay.
quite common. I think we must have skipped a step or two here and there, but we
Really?
just made like what we like. Okay, then we do some kanda.
So there can be more additions also to this.
Yeah. Vilas Dada, please kothimir dena. Then we do nimbu.
I'm so glad I skipped breakfast for
Yeah.
this today.
And now, okay, so this
नींबू
is.
आँखों में चला गया.
Oh no! Do you want
I'm
anything?
I'm also clumsy, right?
So last step is of course second last step of course, but this is tarri. This is
Okay.
basically the spicy. How do I say it? Like the spicy gravy.
Okay.
Okay, so if you don't like spicy, then you can completely skip it.
No, I like spicy.
But I think they've made it sort of medium spicy at home.
Okay.
So what you do is you basically just like top it on it.
and as
you can,
much as you like.
Yeah, and the moment you start having it with pav, because it soaks it all up, you just keep putting tarri.
More and more
Yeah,
to this. Okay.
and then of course you end it with some kothimbir.
Okay. Any warnings? Can I put like
No, I
The
think
more
this
you-
is medium spicy at home, but outside I think they make it,
It can get
really
very
spicy. So now you can obviously start the pav.
Okay.
I am going to skip the pav for today.
Okay,
'cause
no,
that's it.
I'm gonna eat it the way
Okay,
you
without.
eat
Okay,
it,
done.
right?
So
Because-
I'm eating it without the pav. You can also skip it if you want, but
Okay, so I'm gonna have pav. There's literally aloo, then there is poha,
Poha.
then we put some misar,
yes.
then we put farsan, then we put some
Shay.
shay. Did we put shay?
Yes.
We did?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we put this tari and we put dhania. Sorry, I call it
Yeah,
dhania.
dhania, okay.
Wow. This is too good, guys. I think आज Sunday brunch यहीं पे end करते हैं. Thank you very much, guys. This is delicious. I love it. So how often is this dish made? And is it usually had for breakfast, lunch?
I think it's a dish that can be had at any point, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. But at my house, we generally have it for dinner.
Okay.
Because anyone who's on a diet can skip the pav. And
Yeah.
anyone who's not on a diet can have the pav. Or you can even have it with a roti, actually.
Really? Roti with misal?
Yeah. Because at the end of the day, it's like a sabzi, you know. Like at the end of the day, it's still like pulses. Like this is also in itself a sabzi.
It's all healthy also, right?
Kind of.
Kind of. We had some aloo, we had some
Yeah,
farsan
yeah.
and some same, but okay. So I'm going to give you some food choices.
Okay.
You've got to choose one.
Okay.
Okay. So, pav bhaji or misal pav?
Mr. Pav.
Vada pav or kothambir vada? Oh,
Yeah, we have to have kothambir vadi.
how did we
Please.
skip
We can't
this?
skip it. Okay, there is
Oh,
chutney, which is the regular green chutney, but you have to try it with lasan chutney also, which is the
the
dry.
kothambir vadi,
Yeah.
is it? Okay. Here you go for you.
Thank you.
इसमें से कुछ आपको बनाने आता है या सिर्फ
नहीं, सिर्फ खाने आता है, कुछ बनाने नहीं
कुछ
आता
भी
है.
नहीं? This is very tempting. I can't wait.
Go for it, go for it. But you have to try it with the other two also.
Which chutney?
Yeah.
At least you must be knowing the recipe कैसे बनता है कोथिंबीर वड़ी.
कुछ भी
कुछ
नहीं
भी नहीं, सिर्फ ingredients पता है, 3 ingredients.
वो भी नहीं पता मुझे एक्चुअली.
अरे कोथिंबीर तो सिंपल है.
आई थिंक बेसन या चना
Yeah.
आटा टाइप कुछ होगा.
मुझे भी नहीं पता, but it tastes really good. Okay.
Okay.
थाली पीठ और साबुदाना खिचड़ी,
साबुदाना खिचड़ी.
पूरन पोळी और उकडीचे मोदक.
Oh no, you can't ask this question. No, I can't pick between the two. Both of them are my favorite. Can't pick.
And it's Ganpati time,
Yeah.
right?
So I have Ganpati at my native place.
Okay.
My native place is Morgaon,
Okay.
and it is 5 hours from Mumbai.
Hmm.
That's where I go for Ganpati every single year.
Even this year you're planning
Yeah,
to
yeah,
go.
yeah, 100%. I've never missed a year.
तो वहाँ क्या अलग होता है गणपति में?
We have a house which is almost 100 years old,
Hmm.
or more than 100 years old. It's called a Vada. And the celebrations there are just beautiful because the village actually has a big temple, and it is one of the Ganpatis of the Ashtavinayak. And Ashtavinayak is the temple tour that a lot of Maharashtrians do, a religious tour.
Yeah.
So there is no personal Ganpati per se, but there is
Yeah.
a big temple, and
Yeah.
everybody celebrates in the temple. So yeah, so that's what's most special.
Wow. Okay. सोलकड़ी और ताक.
Tak.
बटर मिल्क ना? बटर मिल्क
Buttermilk,
इज ताक.
yeah.
Okay. आलू वड़ी और बटाटा वड़ा.
Oh, oh. I think at home aloo vadi.
Okay.
Aloo vadi what are you calling it? I'm also calling aloo vadi.
आलू वड़ी.
Yeah.
But it is aloo only.
No.
Right? Then what is it?
It's a green leafy vegetable.
Oh, okay.
And that
okay.
green leafy vegetable के बीच में they put a paste of I think
Besan.
besan. And
And
then
then
they wrap it
got
around
it,
and then they put
cut
it. There is no aloo in this scenario.
Okay, the आलू वड़ी.
Aloo vadi.
शीरा और बासुंदी.
Sheera. But not a fan of both actually.
पोहा और उपमा.
Poha.
What about other cuisines? What all do you like to eat?
Actually, I love Indian food the most.
And when you travel,
Yeah.
do you like generally miss Indian food when you're traveling?
I won't lie, I really do. You know, once we were in Bali and I was very sick, you know, and my dad just went like, "Do you want to eat Indian food?" And I said, "Yes, yes, yes." So in Bali, I've eaten Indian food because I was
Yeah.
just so sick, and when you're sick, you want to eat that
Yeah.
rice and dal or something like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Since how long have you been doing this IP?
5 years now.
Wow.
And we had Virat Kohli as one of our first guests.
Oh, wow.
So imagine.
What did Virat eat?
We did it at his restaurant.
Oh, nice. 1-8 commune.
1-8, yeah. I think you've spoken a lot about food.
Yeah.
But let's talk about your films, your journey. You said that you were always interested in becoming an actor. But I know कि आपने शुरुआत में, you worked as an AD as well.
Yeah.
तो वो आपने जान के choose किया to understand it, or how was it like? Or you didn't get an opportunity before, or how did it all pan out?
You know, when I decided to be an actor and I said that I'll audition, and I was doing these multiple rounds of auditions, for some reason I didn't get work initially. So I realized that it's a good thing to start working on a film set. क्योंकि अगर आपको काम नहीं मिल रहा है, तो that means that कहीं पे तो आपको सुधार लाना है. There's a scope of improvement. And I'd never been on a film set. My dinner table conversations are not about movies and how
yeah.
they are made, basically.
Yeah.
So for me, I think I decided that if I'm on a film set, I'll get to learn a lot more. And that's how this journey started. To being an assistant director, but every time I worked, everyone knew I always wanted to be an actor. and it's not so easy. It's a very, very difficult format to make films. So, to try and understand what goes on behind the scenes was very important for me.
बट आपने ऑडिशंस कितने दिए?
बहुत सारे. मैं एटलीस्ट 2 ऑडिशन रोज देती थी, 2 तो मिनिमम, बट लाइक बहुत सारे.
बट यू आर सच अ प्रिटी फेस, तो रिजेक्शंस मतलब किस रीजन से करते थे
पता
यूजुअली?
नहीं यार, कुछ ऐसे कोई बताते नहीं है आपको. या तो आप शॉर्टलिस्ट होते हो या तो आपको काम मिलता है, बट अगर नहीं मिला तो देयर इज नो लाइक कि आप जाके कोई आपको ये नहीं बता रहा है कि व्हाई हैवंट यू गॉट इन दिस जॉब. दैट डजंट हैपन. एंड आई फील लाइक एवरी टाइम दैट आई डिडंट गेट एन ऑडिशन, आई मीन आई डिडंट क्रैक एन ऑडिशन, मेरे लिए वो था कि यू नो व्हाट, मैं एक्टिंग क्लास चली जाऊंगी, मैं डांस क्लास चली जाऊंगी, मैं डिक्शन क्लास
कितना
चली
टाइम
जाऊंगी.
लगा आपको पहली फिल्म मिलने में एवर सिंस यू स्टार्टेड ट्राइंग?
So I think Forgotten Army was my first project, which was with Amazon Prime, and that was directed by Kabir Khan. I think तभी मुझे 5 साल लगे. That was 5 years of auditioning without getting any movie, show, any of that.
तो उससे पहले आपने कोई दूसरा जॉब नहीं किया और anything?
नहीं, as an AD, just as an AD.
Just
उसके
as an
पहले
AD.
मैंने कुछ ads किए थे.
पहला पेचेक पता है कौन सा था? कितना था, कहाँ से आया था, and what did you do with it?
मेरा पहला पेचेक था of 7,500 rupees for an assistant director on प्यार का पंचनामा 2. So that was my first actual job. मैंने उसका कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने actually मेरे parents को दिया, and then they framed it and wrote like a really sweet note below it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that never got cashed out. It was just framed.
How sweet though. But was it easy to get a job as an AD also? Because I'm sure even that must be.
I went in purely as an audition as an actor. और फिर उसके बाद मैंने actually लव सर को पूछा कि सर can I assist? And he was very happy. He said of course you can. And you know like I think if you ask, people will give you that opportunity.
Yeah.
And I've always noticed that, like, it's just about asking someone if you can intern there or if you can work there without having many expectations. I think you'll always find the job.
Did your parents say that छोड़ दे ये सब कुछ और कर in
No,
this
no.
journey of 5 years?
11th standard, I was doing science, and that's when they sat me down and they said, do you really want to do engineering? And they were the ones who started this conversation for me. And I said no. And then they said, so what do you want to do? And I didn't have the guts to say that I want to be an actor. And then they asked me, do you want to be an actor? And that's when I found the courage to say yes.
They always saw the traits of you wanting to become an actor.
Yeah, I think
clearly.
they always knew that I'll do something in the creative field.
Yeah.
I think that it was just about them being kind of the wind beneath my wings.
And then, of course, you were an AD on Bajirao Mastani as well, working with Deepika and Ranveer.
Yeah.
How was it?
I think it was the best experience, honestly. Working with them and just being on the sidelines, seeing what they were doing in the film, performing each scene. Every day you could see magic being created. Be it the actors, the directors, every technician that was working on set. That's just been a big dream come true.
Any particular instance you remember from that set?
On Bajirao Mastani, actually, I remember that, you know, one day we were shooting for Diwani Mastani, and there was a shot where Deepika had to walk from the center, and 2 people were opening the door. I was one of those girls who was opening one of the doors.
Okay.
And I think we were all supposed to time it in a certain way, and she was basically, she wanted to give us some instruction, and she very sweetly asked me my name. And I thought that was the best moment of Bajirao Mastani for me, because, you know, I was like, oh my god, Deepika knows my name.
Did you meet Deepika now recently after that?
No,
You
I
should tell her,
haven't.
I was the one who opened the door for you.
Wait, but I've forgotten that you've not eaten Shankar Pale.
Oh, this is one thing that every Maharashtrian household will welcome their guest
Yes,
with, right?
Yes. But this is made specifically of wheat and not maida.
Okay.
And you know, slightly
अच्छा
made
wheat and not मैदा.
Yeah.
वो तो थोड़ा मीठा होता है ना ये?
मीठा तो होता ही
है ना? हाँ.
मीठा तो होता ही है, but you must try it. It's my favorite thing. ये तो दिवाली में it's
हाँ.
a big deal.
So tell me, how did the Forgotten Army happen then?
Mukesh Chabra sir was casting for it, and I mean, I was one of the 200 people who must have given an audition for, and then every round we got shortlisted, and one fine day they said that, okay, you guys are in the final round, and we would like you to meet the director, and the director will come in and do like a short round of auditions. So in that thing, I think there were like 2 actors for every character. And that's how it started. We did lots of these workshops, and like you know, like we changed partners, did a lot of scenes, and then finally I got the show.
When you gave the news to your family,
Yeah.
how was their reaction?
No, they were elated. They were elated. Like, they were so happy, because they truly have seen the 5 years of ups and downs. They have seen the
Yeah.
rejections. They have seen everything. Because I remember I used to always tell them, "Oh, I'm in the top two. I'm gonna get this. I'm definitely gonna get this." And then eventually, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
So they've really seen that. They've really seen and been with me through all of those times. So for
Yeah.
them, I think it was a big win. It was very personal for everybody.
Yeah, and I must congratulate you for Maharaj,
Thank you.
Munja, Veda,
Thank you.
and all three such different genres.
Thank you.
Especially Munja, right?
Yeah.
Must have been difficult, right? Because Ghost is CGI.
Yeah, The Ghost is CGI. It's a complete
Yeah.
CGI character, and it was always such a fun film. And when you have a cast that is also so fun, we were a riot. Like, we used to have so much fun on set that I think that's the most fun I've had on any set. Play
Were you not
Uno.
scared? Like,
No, we were actually having a lot of fun. We were not,
Acha.
because वो really नहीं था ना, कुछ
हाँ.
था ही नहीं. There was no reference only for us.
imagine doing scenes when there's nobody there.
That's something that was definitely challenging.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think experimentation is something that, it's fun. Like, when you're on set and you're doing something new, you're doing something different. I think that's what keeps people going, because it's clutter breaking, right? It's
Yeah.
different from what you do every single day. Imagine how someone's telling you perform when there's no actor only in front of you.
Yeah.
It's great. Like, it's
Yeah.
different.
Who's your favorite actor?
I think my favorite actor is Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And anybody from like any female favorite actor?
Alia. I love
Really?
Alia. Yeah.
You
She's
would
my
have loved
favorite actor.
Rocky Raja.
Yeah, I love Rocky Rani. I loved it.
Yeah, it was such a funny movie. Okay, now Piyush is feeling a bit ignored.
Yes.
So we're going to play a game, which
Okay.
is Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
For everything you have, you have to take a sip of the Piyush.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Okay.
done. Okay, done.
Never have I ever, and you have to share details, okay?
Oh.
Never have I ever had a wardrobe malfunction on set. You have?
No.
Okay. Never have I ever caught laughing uncontrollably during a serious scene. Which one was that?
There was this one scene in Veda,
Yeah.
wherein John and I were supposed to really he was doing his last dialogue and we were supposed to walk out, the two of us. And in that scene, it was really late in the night and everyone was just so tired. And you get hysterical after one point.
Yeah.
Me and John were holding hands and we were supposed to walk. Now, John started doing this tickling situation and I was like, please don't make me laugh. Like, please don't. And then after that, it just became such a big joke that I couldn't stop laughing.
Never have I ever struggled to remember my lines in front of a big celebrity co-star. Yeah, okay.
It was just one moment.
Yeah.
It was my first scene with Rani ma'am.
Hmm.
And I remember the scene was Saif sir is sitting, I'm sitting, it's like a breakfast table and Rani ma'am walks in and then she's gonna speak to us. That started, the scene happened and she walked in and I was just looking at her and I forgot my lines. Like, I just forgot my dialogues. Luckily, some camera issue happened. So we had to do a retake and it never came on to the fact that, oh, Sharvari forgot her lines. But yeah, I was just so awestruck at that point that I didn't remember what my dialogue was.
Okay, today they will know. Okay, never have I ever been scolded by a director.
No, never.
No?
No.
You're like a good favorite.
Yeah, no, not scolded.
Okay, good. So what's coming up, Sharvari? Would love to know. We've been hearing some rumors here and there in terms of, your upcoming projects. Please do clarify what's happening. What do we look forward to?
Honestly, the film that I'm shooting for currently is Alpha. It is a Virus Spy Universe film. It has Alia and I in it. And yeah, so we're shooting for it. And that's, I think, a really, really exciting and fun project. Because it's the first time that you're going to be seeing two women lead a spy universe film. And I really think that is an incredible time to be a part of such a film.
Wow,
because
this sounds very exciting. When is
Yeah.
it scheduled for release?
I don't know. We are just
Okay.
shooting as yet, but hopefully soon.
Yeah, but it's amazing how, all the films that you've been doing are doing so well.
Thank you.
And you have so
Thank
many
you.
amazing projects. I want to know, do you remember the moment where you felt like, okay, now I'm famous? Any particular fan interaction that you remember?
Somebody came to me for a selfie and said, please, can you pose in Tara's step? I said, how does one pose in Tara's step? Like, I just didn't know. And I was so flabbergasted. I also did this in his photo. So some now fan has a photo of me doing this.
Okay, so Sharvari, we are going to make a fan interaction
Yes.
live call, who's also a Curly Tales follower.
Yes.
Using our Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. And we have Hina who's joined us. Hi, Hina.
Hi.
We have a surprise for you.
Hi, Hina. Hi.
Hi, Sharvari. I am your so big fan and I'm so
Aw.
happy to see you. Thank you, Kamya.
Aw.
I watch all the recent movies of Sharvari and I'm like कि अब क्या मुंजा के डायलॉग बोले
चलो हिना कोई एक डायलॉग बोल दो एनी डायलॉग दैट यू रियली लाइक और यू वांट शर्वरी टू से इट फॉर यू
शर्वरी ने एक डायलॉग मेरे लिए बोला तो मुंजा का
मुंजा का
या फिर महाराजा का भी डायलॉग चलेगा वो
सा-
मात्रा वाला
हाँ चलो महाराज का डायलॉग बोल देती हूँ मैं आपके लिए चलो अगर शादी के बदले शादी बोलूं तो करेंगी शादी मामा मासी का तो फर्क है
एनीथिंग यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क शर्वरी
एक मुंजा का डायलॉग बस
मुंजा का डायलॉग तो मुंजा की वॉइस में बोलना पड़ेगा मुझे फिर तो
चलेगा मुंजा की वॉइस
हाँ
में बोलो
मैं
ना
मुंजा की
हाँ।
वॉइस में मुंजा का डायलॉग बोलती हूँ मुंजा ऐसे बोलता है ना मुन्नी लगीन
थैंक यू सो मच बेला
Thank you, Hina.
Thank
you
you,
can
Hina.
watch this episode on Curly Tales, as you know. And बोल दो इसको like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales.
Yeah, like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales.
ऑलरेडी
Already हो गया उनका.
चलो ठीक है. Thank you so much, Hina.
थैंक यू शर्वरी
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. See you.
थैंक यू काम्या
Thank you. See you. Bye. So clearly your fans are growing and I hope they grow by leaps and bounds and you have many
Thank you.
more and given the work that you are doing it's really impressive and we are very proud of our Mumbai se Mulgi and we
Thank
want
you.
you to you know have
Thank
more
you.
success in
Thank
life.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
And again thank you for hosting. It was such an amazing meal.
Oh, I'm so
I
glad.
totally enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.